Hi, my name is Keegan and welcome. Thank you for being here. And I wanted to share a practice with you that has been my go-to, especially as we are moving into a new season, into the season of spring. The energy of winter is a lot around hibernation and slowness and coziness. We may not be as active, and maybe we are as active. The energy of spring sometimes pulls us into action. And what I have found is that through my practice of yoga and also as a nervous system coach, to be able to regulate our systems through these times of change. So, whether you're going through any transition of your life, a career transition, geographic transition, or even physiological transition, this breathwork practice really helps with grounding our system, helping us feel some stability, and moving us through whatever we're facing in the moment in a more regulated place. So this breathwork practice is called Nadi Shodana, which is a alternate nostril breathing. So not only does it help us with balancing our breath through a even measured breath, but also balancing our right and left side of our brain. And you'll see as we move along, as we go through the practice, what I mean. So let's get started. Go ahead and find a comfortable seat so you can come sit on a chair, or maybe you want to sit on the floor. Um, it's not recommended that you lie down just so that you can keep that elevated flow of breath. Go ahead and bring your left hand onto your lap. You can bring your palm open. And I invite you to bring your pointer finger and thumb together and just let your hand rest on your thigh. You can also just find a relaxed position. And you'll find your right hand, and we'll be using our ring finger and our thumb. And the two peace fingers, I like to bring them together and bring them right at my forehead, right at the space where my third eye is. It's that energetic point when we close our eyes, we take that inward gaze, and it's our inner wisdom, our inner knowing. So it's also activating that wisdom that lies within us that often gets lost in the chaos of life, the busyness, the noise of life. And especially as things are moving, we sometimes lose that clarity, that sense of our own wise self within. So the ring finger will come just outside of the left nostril, and the thumb will come right outside of the right nostril. You can curl your finger, your pinky finger in, or just bring it hanging. You'll just rest your two peace fingers right at your forehead, and just a gentle leaning into the forehead. So there's a little bit of pressure, but it's not really great. And go ahead and rest your eyes closed or just a gaze down your nose. And just allow yourself to arrive. So go ahead and just take a nice gentle breath in through your nose and a gentle breath out through your nose. And just take a few breaths here, breathing in and breathing out. Soften your shoulders. Strip the tongue away from the roof of your mouth. And soften the muscles of your face and really focus on your breath in and your breath out. And see if you can deepen your breath. So breathing in a little bit deeper, a little more air, and breathing out a little more air. And then go ahead and exhale everything out. Push the breath out. Close off your right nostril. Breathe in through your left for the count of 4, 3, 2, 1. Close off the left. Open the right. Breathe out for the count of 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in through the right. Count of 4, 3, 2, 1. Close it off. Open the left. Breathe out. 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in the count of 4, 3, 2, 1. Close it off. Exhale out the right. 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in right. 4, 3, 2, 1. Close it off. Breathe out left. 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in. Close it off. Breathe out the right. Breathe in the right. Close it off. Breathe out the left. Breathe in the left. Close it off. Breathe out the right. Breathe in the right. Nice long, full breath here. Close it off. Breathe out the left. Even breath out. And breathing in an even breath in. Close it off. Breathe out the right. Breathe in through the right. Close it off. Breathe out the left. One more round. Breathe in through the left. Close it off. Breathe out the right. Breathe in the right. Close it out. Breathe out the left. Softly release your hand onto your thigh and just take a gentle breath in, gentle breath out through your nose. Start to tune in to any subtle shifts you notice here now. Notice any sensations, maybe in the head, in the face, in the body. Notice the sensation of your breath. And feel your feet touching the ground, your body touching your chair, your hands touching your thighs. To feel that grounding, connected sensation. And that sensation of stability and support. And when you're ready, softly open your eyes. And I invite you to return to this practice when you are feeling any sense of unsteadiness, or as we move into this spring season, to use this as a daily practice to come back to just for a few minutes each day to help you move through the transition and to ease into our way of the spring season. I'd love to hear how this practice goes. Thank you for joining. May you be well.